Hello YouTube, and welcome to another 360 video by 360 Guys. Today we are paying a visit to Dundas Square here in Toronto, Ontario, Canada. Yonge-Dundas Square, or just Dundas Square, is a public square at the southeast corner of the intersection of Yonge Street and Dundas Street East in the city's downtown core. Designed by Brown and Story architects, the square was conceived in 1997 as part of revitalizing the intersection. Since its completion in 2002, the square has hosted many public events, performances, and art displays, establishing itself as a prominent landmark in Toronto and one of the city's prime tourist attractions. Central to the downtown Yonge entertainment and shopping district, the square is owned by the city and is the first public square in Canada to be maintained through a public-private partnership. The square's development is cited as modeling New York's Times Square, Tokyo's Shibuya district, and London's Piccadilly Circus. Surrounding the square are some major landmarks, including the Toronto Eaton Centre, Ed Mirvish Theatre, and the City TV building. The square is accessible by the Toronto subway at Dundas Station and is connected to the Path. What is Path, you ask? Well, if you guys smash that like button enough, we might even do a video on Path. But I'm not going to leave you hanging for now. Just know that it is a network of underground pedestrian tunnels, elevated walkways, and at-grade walkways connecting the office towers of downtown Toronto. It connects more than 70 buildings via 30 kilometers of tunnels, walkways, and shopping areas. Well, we hope you enjoyed the tour. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you find yourself in our video, make sure to comment below. We're giving out prizes, and alternatively, if you are in the video and do not wish to be shown, we will gladly blur you out. Just let us know in the comments, and of course, timestamp will definitely help. Remember, these videos are best enjoyed with VR headsets. And if you don't have one, click on our affiliate link in the description. It will help our channel. You can also enjoy this video with natural sound by following the link in the video description. Make sure to check our channel regularly, as we will be posting at least one new video every week. Remember, there's more where that came from.